Ever wondered how crucial vitamins might be in the process of nerve healing? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to a world where the small things make a big difference. Today, we're exploring the amazing realm of vitamins and their significant role in nerve healing. Our nerves are like superhighways, transmitting signals from our brain to the rest of our bodies. Damage to these highways can lead to a host of problems, and that's where vitamins come in. They are the construction workers, the repair crew, the unsung heroes that help keep our nerve highways in top shape. But why are vitamins so important in nerve healing, you ask? They are essential for the production of myelin, the protective layer that covers our nerves and help in the regeneration of damaged nerves. So, get ready to dive deep into the details about the 7 best vitamins for nerve healing naturally. Buckle up as we delve into the world of vitamins and their significant role in nerve healing. First on our list is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This vital nutrient plays a crucial role in nerve health. It's like the unsung hero of your nervous system, working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. Thiamine helps in transmitting nerve signals, ensuring that every message from your brain reaches its intended destination. This transmission is like the body's internal communication system, and thiamine is the operator, making sure that every call gets through. But that's not all. Vitamin B1 is also essential in preventing nerve damage. It's like a protective shield, guarding your nerves against potential threats. You can find thiamine in a variety of sources. It is abundant in whole grains, meat, and fish. Even fruits and vegetables like oranges and asparagus are packed with this essential vitamin. So remember, vitamin B1 isn't just a vitamin, it's a nerve protector. Moving on, let's talk about vitamin B6, or as scientists call it, pyridoxine. This vitamin plays a vital role in our body, especially when it comes to nerve health. It's a key player in the creation of neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that nerves use to communicate with each other. Without enough vitamin B6, your nerves might struggle to send signals effectively. But that's not all. Vitamin B6 is also essential for maintaining the myelin sheath. This is a protective layer that wraps around your nerve fibers, a bit like the insulation on a wire. It helps to speed up the transmission of impulses along the nerves. Without this protective layer, your nerves could become damaged and their function impaired. Now, where can we find vitamin B6? It's actually quite common in our diet. Foods rich in this vitamin include poultry, fish, potatoes, and non-citrus fruits. So, vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in keeping your nerves communicating efficiently. And next up is vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. This powerhouse vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your nerve cells. It does this by supporting the production of the myelin sheath, a protective coating that wraps around the nerves much like insulation around a wire. This sheath not only protects your nerve cells, but it also speeds up the transmission of electrical signals, helping your nervous system to function smoothly and efficiently. But where can we find this nerve superhero? Well, vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products such as meat, dairy, and eggs. However, for those following a plant-based diet, don't fret. There are fortified foods such as cereals and plant-based milks, and supplements that can help you meet your daily needs. So, whether you're a carnivore, herbivore, or somewhere in between, there's a way to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. In essence, vitamin B12 is the lifeguard of your nerve cells. Let's now turn our attention to vitamin E. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant, which means it has the ability to fight off harmful free radicals in the body. It's like the superhero of your nervous system, swooping in to protect your nerve cells from damage. Now, you might be wondering, where can I find this superhero in my diet? Well, vitamin E is present in a wide variety of foods. You can find it in nuts and seeds, green leafy vegetables, and in fortified cereals. It's also present in some types of oils, like wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, and safflower oil. And what's great about vitamin E is that it does more than just protect your nerves. It also plays a role in immune function and metabolic processes. So not only does it protect your nerves, but it also helps keep your overall health in check. So vitamin E is the shield your nerves need against damage. Next in line is the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. When we talk about nerve healing and growth, vitamin D plays a pivotal role. Our body needs this essential vitamin to maintain the health of our nerves. Vitamin D helps in the formation of the protective sheath around our nerves. This sheath acts as a shield, guarding the nerves against damage and aiding in their repair if any harm does occur. In terms of nerve growth, vitamin D has been found to stimulate the growth of nerve cells, contributing to their overall health and functioning. It's fascinating, isn't it? To think that this humble vitamin, which we mostly associate with sunshine and bone health, has such a significant impact on our nerves. What's more, it's not that difficult to incorporate vitamin D into our diet. It's abundant in foods like fatty fish, cheese, and egg yolks. And of course, let's not forget the most natural source of all, sunlight. To sum up, vitamin D is like the fuel for your nerve growth. Let's not forget about vitamin C. This powerhouse nutrient plays a pivotal role in nerve healing, primarily through its involvement in collagen production. You see, collagen is a protein that forms the structure of our nerves. Without enough collagen, nerves struggle to repair themselves after damage. So how does vitamin C come into play? Well, it's a key player in the collagen synthesis process, acting as a catalyst to speed up the reaction. But where can we find this vital vitamin? Fruits and vegetables are the prime sources. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and spinach are all packed with vitamin C. Even a glass of freshly squeezed lemon water can give your body a good dose of this essential vitamin. But remember, balance is key. Overloading on vitamin C won't make your nerves heal faster, but maintaining a steady intake can support your body's natural healing processes. In short, vitamin C is the builder your nerves need for healing. Last but not least, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are the unsung heroes of nerve regeneration. They're like the pit crew in a high-stakes car race, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial in reducing inflammation. They're akin to a fire brigade, dousing the flames of inflammation that can damage nerves and hinder their recovery. But their role doesn't stop there. Omega-3s actively promote nerve regeneration. Imagine them as a team of skilled architects and builders, meticulously designing and constructing new nerve pathways. They're the restorative force your body needs when nerves have been damaged. Now, where can you find these mighty omega-3s? They are generously present in fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, as well as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. So don't forget to add these to your shopping list. So omega-3 fatty acids are the restorers of your damaged nerves. That brings us to the end of our vitamin journey. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've unearthed. We started with vitamin B1, or thiamine, a vital nutrient that aids nerve conduction, helping our nerves to communicate effectively. It's found in whole grains, beans, peas, and nuts, so incorporating these into your meals can give your nervous system a much-needed boost. Next, we moved on to vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, which is instrumental in creating neurotransmitters, the messengers of our nervous system. Foods like fish, poultry, and potatoes are rich in this vitamin. Then, we delved into vitamin B12, or cobalamin, which is essential for maintaining the health of our nerve cells and the formation of red blood cells. It's primarily found in animal products, but fortified cereals can also be a good source for those following plant-based diets. We also talked about vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects our nerve cells from damage. Nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables are excellent sources of this vitamin. Our journey then took us to vitamin D, which is vital for nerve growth and development. While sunlight is the most natural source, fatty fish and fortified dairy products can also provide a good dose of this sunshine vitamin. We also discussed vitamin C, another potent antioxidant that aids in nerve regeneration. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are just a few of the many foods rich in vitamin C. Lastly, we mentioned omega-3 fatty acids, not a vitamin, but a nutrient that's essential for nerve health, reducing inflammation and promoting nerve regeneration. Fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are great sources of omega-3s. Remember, these vitamins are not just letters and numbers on a bottle. They are the tools your nerves need to heal and function optimally. And while supplements can help, nothing beats a balanced, nutrient-rich diet for maintaining optimal nerve health. Remember, your nerves need these vitamins to heal and function properly, so make sure to include them in your diet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Stay healthy, stay informed.